In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to build a professional pillar content strategy from scratch. Let's get started. I begin by opening a text file where I've prepared my first prompt. I want to train ChatGPT to act as my personal pillar content strategy assistant, so I'm copying a detailed persona description. I identify as Josh, a content creator and educator, and I'm asking for recommendations that are structured, specific, and actionable. I paste this into the chat and hit enter. ChatGPT immediately confirms the instructions and defines how it will format its responses, focusing on elements like cluster topics and internal linking opportunities. It even provides an example of how the output will look, using pillars like content creation and freelancing to set the stage. Now, I'll go back to my notepad to grab the next specific request. I need help identifying 4 to 5 core content pillars for a personal brand aimed at helping freelancers and online entrepreneurs grow their businesses. I paste the prompt into the message bar, and ChatGPT generates 5 strong pillars: freelance business foundations, client acquisition, pricing and income, productivity and systems, and personal brand building. Each pillar includes a clear description, the core audience problem it solves, and 3 example content topics. Let's take one of these pillars even further. I'm heading back to my notes to copy a prompt that will turn the pricing and business growth pillar into a full 90-day content plan. After I paste this, ChatGPT breaks down the next 3 months into a logical journey. Month 1 is about fixing the pricing foundation, Month 2 covers smarter pricing strategies, and Month 3 focuses on scaling income. For every month, it provides 3 long-form content pieces and specific short-form social media ideas for each week. Next, I want to organize this for SEO and authority. I'll copy a prompt to create a content cluster map centered on the topic of how to price freelance services. I paste this into the chat, and the AI maps out a central pillar page surrounded by 6 supporting cluster pieces. It lists target keywords, search intent, and the best format for each piece, whether it's a blog post or a video. It even explains the visual structure and the strategic benefit of the cluster. Finally, I want a way to keep this strategy fresh. I'm copying one last prompt for a pillar content strategy review framework that I can use every 90 days. I paste it and send, and ChatGPT provides a step-by-step audit. This includes a checklist for relevance, 5 questions to evaluate performance, and a process for identifying content gaps. It concludes with a quick scorecard to rank pillars and a routine to keep my content perfectly aligned with my audience's needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.